Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around this absolutely wonderful Mercedes-Benz A200 AMG line premium. Now this is a lovely car and it's got the must-have night package. So when we go around the car I'll draw your attention to the night package detailing. Now the vehicle's finished in Cirrus White, which is the favoured colour of these, and it just shows off all the nice swage lines of the side of the vehicle, and then obviously the black edition and the black detailing in the night package. Now with this being a premium, this does have the LED signature lamps which have the eyebrow, and obviously then we get the LED technology. This being a premium, we get the upgrade multi-spoke 18-inch black wheels with the silver detailing. Now the little silver detailing on the rim, our technicians will improve that. They do tend to just weather, but these are all in lovely order. Now the night package is the black wheels. We've then got the black door mirror caps, and then the black window surrounds in high gloss with the, and this one's got the factory option of privacy glass as well. Coming to the front of the vehicle, we get the smoked lamps rather than obviously silver in there, with the diamond encrusted grille, and then the black front diffuser spoiler there in black. Now this car's got parking sensors on the front and in the rear. That's called PARKTRONIC in Mercedes-Benz world. This car also has a reversing camera. So you've got the complement of all the parking aids that one could have. The wheels are all, as I say, in great condition with a black Mercedes-Benz centre. Taking a look down the car, the vehicle is in superb condition, having only done just over 40,000 miles from new. Again, the black mirror caps set this one off, but just take a look at those lines. The first editions of these are far more dynamic than the facelift and the new model, far more going on that pleasing to the eye. Now coming round to the rear, we get the twin tailpipes, and then reversing sensors, we get the A200 badge. Boot space is lovely on these, very nice. This one is in absolutely nearly as new condition, impeccable in there, and the boot plinth itself is also in lovely unmarked condition. Now underneath the boot floor we do have a storage area, and there is your tyre inflation kit and your first aid kit. So everything that was there when it was given to the last owner 5 years ago is still available today. Now you'll be pleased to know that this one also has the full Mercedes-Benz documentation with it, so I think 3 services, and they are pictured on the words as well. But the car is in absolutely gorgeous order throughout. Very easy to insure these because they're only a smaller petrol engine, very fuel efficient Mercedes-Benz petrol engines, but that night package really does do the business. Now looking inside this particular car, we've then got some lovely premium options. So we've got power folding mirrors, which is just situated here. Press that. That external passenger driver's mirror, is also dimmable. Now when you open the car door, you will get Mercedes-Benz lit up there, and then we've got the aluminium pedal set, keyless start, and we do have 2 keys. I'll turn that down as I climb in. Paddle shift in silver, and the detailing on the steering wheel is also very nice. Now this car has the red contrast stitch, so we get the red stitching on the steering wheel, the red contrast stitch on the door cards, and then this exceptional carbon fibre weave style effect that runs across the dashboard. There's the contrast red stitch again on the door handle, and then the passenger seat is in as good a condition as I've ever seen before. But a fully loaded car with it being a premium. 2 keys, we get the climate control rather than manual air conditioning, heated seats for nice warm bum in winter. We've got the MAP PILOT Garmin SD card. So effectively press your nav, and there's your map. Press your radio, that's that. Press your media, you can stream from your Bluetooth device, auxiliary. It does have a CD as well for you older generation like me. We've got the dynamic select button here, so when I press that, that then gives me the option to go comfort, sport, individual, and then it comes up on the screen. As I mentioned, you've got PARKTRONIC as well, so they're little sensors on the dashboard and also on the ceiling of the vehicle, and they'll light up as you get closer to things. And you've got reverse camera, parking sensors, and then here we've got cruise control and speed limiter. As soon as you select reverse gear, it'll tell you, there you go, parking lines are there as well for your reversing camera. Now I don't smoke, and I can also tell that this car's not been smoked in. Centre armrest storage facility, we've got 2 USBs for charging our phones as well. But what a lovely, lovely car. 42,474 miles to be exact. Automatic transmission, full book pack, service history, all those things that are a must when you're buying a used car. So everything that was available to the first keeper when it was brand new is still here today, 5 years later, with only 40 something thousand miles, so less than 8,000 miles a year over the car's life. Now in the car we've got Isofix in the rear, and the inside is in, as I said, wonderful condition. Very, very limited traffic throughout there. Very nice indeed. Now, if you would like to reserve this car, we do a 250 click and collect. That means £250 deposit, reserves it online with us. Give me a call. We take it off sale, we prepare it then to the highest of standards, so you only have to visit our showroom here in Wigan once. Once you've test drove it, approved it, make sure it's up to your standard, you then just do a bank transfer from your account into ours. If you've got a part exchange, we can give you the price over the phone. Have a look at our reviews, have a look on our Facebook page. You'll see lots of customers from all over the country purchasing cars, doing the same as you're going to do with this one. So, there's myself, Graham, there is Dom, and there is Lee on sales. Any questions, just give us a call. We'll be happy to help in any way we can. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.